Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the area of a rectangle is 221 square centimeters. The dimensions of the rectangle are 5x plus 2 inches and 4x plus 1 inches. Find the dimensions of the given rectangle. Here we have given area of a rectangle is 221 square centimeters. We know that area of a rectangle is given by length into breadth. So here substituting values, area of rectangle is 221. Suppose length is 5x plus 2, which is given here, and breadth is 4x plus 1. So 221 equals to, this 5x into 4x is 20x square plus 5x into 1 plus 2 into 4x, that is 8x plus 2. So here it is 221 equals to 20x square plus 13x plus 2. Now subtract 221 from both the sides. We get 20x square plus 13x minus 219 equals to 0. So by using quadratic formula to find roots, we can find x12, that is roots 3 and minus 73 by 20. Now by using the positive value of that root, using positive value, so x equals to 3, the dimensions will be 5x plus 2 means 17 and 4x plus 1 means 13. Hence dimensions of a rectangle is 17 by 13. So correct option is option B, which is 17 by 13.